Hey guys, welcome back. So today we'll see how we can do a floral pattern on bottle. Let's start. Always make sure your base is clean and dry before you apply the primer. For primer I am using white gesso. Once the primer layer is dry, you can apply chalk paint or acrylic as the base color. So the base is now ready and completely dry. You have to make sure to apply 2 to 3 coats of paint for a smoother finish. So before going to the designing part, let me show you some easy floral patterns which you can replicate on the bottle. Now let's mark the pattern on the bottle using a white pencil. Make sure there is even spacing between the patterns. It's time to apply paint for your patterns. You can either go for acrylic or chalk paint. Choose some vibrant shades in contrast with the base shade for the patterns to stand out. The next step is to add details to these patterns. I'm adding some contrast shades for the inner circles for the flowers. Also highlighting the borders using Posca markers. You can go for an acrylic marker if Posca markers is not available. So pattern is finished. Now we have to apply acrylic varnish once it is dried. So this will seal the paint and will make it waterproof.